Hello, Terry. How's it going? This is Cisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. I spoke with Lisa and I promised I would send out this video just giving you guys some tips and tricks as far as what you can continue doing to outbeat your clients outbeat your competition and be able to just generate more traffic into your website and convert that into qualified clients. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it. So some of the things that I look for, Terry, is at your content. Do you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? On top of that, I'm looking for one, keywords. Are you currently being indexed? Do you currently have keywords in your website? The reason why is because a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And you do have a lot of content, so great job on that. I really like the design of the website. Now, you want to be able to have keywords within your website because you want to tell Google exactly what keywords or what terms you want to be found for. For example, if you want to be indexed for air conditioning repair pensacola, hopefully I'm saying that right, Terry, then at that point you want to be able to be indexed for that specific keyword, which I see here: 24-hour HVAC and plumbing services in Pensacola, Florida. So depending on where you're being positioned at, you may be getting calls for this. Okay, so that's good. So great job. Continue doing those things. Now, let's jump over to this tab. So this tab is a tool called Ahrefs. This helps me understand how well your website is performing. Okay, so let's go. Let's go to this section. So this section here, this number 18, this is your strength or your authority score. Okay, and then this is your trust score. You're probably asking yourself, well, are these scores, are they okay? Do I need improvement? What I can say is, one, your strength, it's on its way. Okay, typically what I've seen as far as like a strong website is anything over 30, and then same thing with your trust flow. Now, what you should be shooting for is what I call the golden ratio, meaning that these guys are very close to each other, where you can see like an 18, a 19, or a 17, right? Just the difference is by 2 or 3. Then you're starting to get close to that golden ratio. Some of the things that contribute to these scores is your backlinks. Okay, you currently have 982 backlinks, but you only have 149 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking back to another. And these links, they act like endorsements for your website. Now, something that you want to consider though is that not all backlinks are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant links within your industry and get some local websites working for you and endorsing your website. Okay, this is what helps with your overall scores. Now, if you were to get, for example, a link from your local pizzeria linking back to you, it can actually hinder because you're not in the food industry. Last thing I want to go over is your organic keywords, meaning what type of keywords are you currently being indexed for. Okay, so this is good. Okay, air design, this is the name of your company, so we won't dive into that one, but HVAC Pensacola, okay, or AC repair. Let's stick to AC repair Pensacola. The reason why is because look at the volume. Meaning this is the estimated amount of times people are searching for this every single month, 250. Now, the reason why this is an important and it's a good thing that you're being indexed for that is because, one, it's considered a buyer intent keyword, meaning that, one, AC repair. When people are searching for AC repair, it's because, one, they know what they're needing to get done. They want that service. They want it to get fixed. Second thing is your local keyword or the city that you service. These are the type of keywords you want to be indexed for, and you're currently doing it. So great job. Continue doing that. Now, this is your positions. Okay, this is where you're currently being ranked at, and you're at number 8. So you're climbing. Continue. Now, let's just take this this keyword. Okay, actually, let's do air conditioning repair. Okay, so let's take that and see where you're being ranked at or where you're being indexed at. AC repair Pensacola. So let's just take it section by section. So this is the Google Guarantee section or the Google Ads section. Okay, so we got these three. So anytime anybody clicks on them or calls them, they're going to get charged what is called a CPC, or cost per click. But nonetheless, anybody that calls them, they're obviously looking for this type of service. So they're almost guaranteed a new client. Second thing, which look, you guys are doing great. You're currently being ranked at number 3, so great job, is the Google My Business page. Okay, the reason why this is super important, because 30 to 40% of calls come from this area, and you're currently number 3. So continue what you are doing for this area. Last thing is the organic listings, meaning that you're not paying for Google ads. Okay, Google is organically ranking you on top of the searches. Okay, it's specifically air conditioning repair. So if we look at here, we're looking at Better Business Bureau, Yelp. These are all citations, but then we see Boutwell Air Masters. So I'm running out of time, so let's just see what they're doing. Okay, and let's see how well they're performing. So look, 23 was 6. They're, I believe, lower than you are when it comes to their trust flow. But now, let's see what type of keywords they're being ranked for. So this is what you want to be looking at. Remember, a lot of things play into this. But look, air conditioning repair Pensacola, they're ranked number 4. So clearly, if we go back here, they're ranked number 3. So remember, that too was an estimation. So they're ranking number 3 in the organic listings, which is where obviously it's going to help with increasing your Google My Business rankings, but nonetheless, a great job on that. Anyhow, this is just some few tips that I wanted to share with you guys. If you guys found this helpful, please email me back. No harm, no foul. If you decide, obviously, you know what, Sisco, I love the video. Go ahead. I'm just going to go ahead and use this info. But what I do ask, or if it's impossible, if you can just send me some feedback, that would be awesome. Thank you so much for your time. We'll talk to you.